Welcome to ZZZ TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
Come now.
The father of Sahara Reporter is addressing the people in our Sorry.
And I'm a friend of Nnamdi Kanu. I'm also a friend and lover of justice. And I came here to, against all odds, to come and ask that Tinubu must free Nnamdi Kanu. Tinubu has no option to free Nnamdi Kanu. We want them, when they got Justice Omotosho to send Nnamdi Kanu to jail, they can never stand. And they have now understood, but they have not learned their lessons yet. We are not here to make long speeches. I came here to identify with all of you in Abia, and all over Nigeria and all over the world. Oh yeah, to come home, we are not stopping. This is a peaceful march. And we have told the soldiers when we met them that it's a peaceful march, but it's their choice.
Yes.
So we are going to march, keep marching.
Yes.
No talking, no thinking, no chanting.
Yes.
And you know why I'm here. I don't look back. And I hope you all not look back. If anybody has not joined us, tell them to join us. There is no room for onlookers. You are Elena! 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 Free Nnamdi Kanu now! 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 Free Nnamdi Kanu now!
It's too heavy for me.
I say free Nnamdi Kanu now. 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 I say free Nnamdi Kanu now. Free Nnamdi Kanu. I say free Nnamdi Kanu now. Free Nnamdi Kanu. I say free Nnamdi Kanu now. 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 Nnamdi Kanu now. Free 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 Nnamdi Kanu now. Tinubu. 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 Free Nnamdi Kanu now. President. Free Nnamdi Kanu now. Our president. Our president, our president, our president, Holy Don't worry.